Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, if I may finish, because Senator Enrile just took my time as far
Is
as...
this PhilRem?
Yes.
Can I ask a question for Mr. Go before we leave? Just quickly. Alan, yung ginagawa nyo ni Mr. Go with the rediscounted checks, is that in your personal capacity or as East-West Branch Manager?
On my own personal capacity, Your
That's
Honor.
on your personal capacity?
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
you're under oath right now. You're saying that Mr. Go knows about that peso account.
That I don't know, sir. Hindi,
No, but it's his checks, right? It is,
Yes, Your Honor.
it is what checks are these?
Century Text Trading, Your Honor.
Century Text Trading.
Yes,
So
Your
he
Honor.
does know about this account.
That I don't know, Your Honor.
He requested you to rediscount checks
Yes, Your Honor.
and to deposit it in that account.
No, Your Honor.
So how did you know about that account?
Sir, I am giving those checks to Miss Maya Digito, my branch manager, Your Honor.
So Mr. Go asked you to help him with rediscounting checks in your own personal capacity, not as East-West Branch Manager, and you made a deal with Maya Digito to make it work.
Not a deal, Your Honor.
I mean, you talked to her and made it work. You figured it out with her.
Sir, Sir, Your Honor, sir, as Miss Maya is my branch manager who's taking care of my account, sir, to whatever checks that I've been giving to her, she's the one who's depositing it, or otherwise, she's be giving me the account number where to deposit, Your Honor.
And under oath, you're saying sa pagkakaalam mo, walang kinalaman si Mr. Go dun sa account na yon in the RCBC Jupiter branch.
I'm not sure, Your Honor.
You're under oath, Mr.
Yes,
Peñalosa.
yes, Your Honor.
You're saying under oath, Mr. Go requested you for his checks, which were post-dated checks po ito, kung di ako nagkakamali, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
As a friend,
Yes, Your Honor.
not officially.
Not officially, Your
Okay,
Honor.
and as a friend, lumapit ka rin kay Miss Digito, gawa natin to ng paraan. There's
Oh.
nothing illegal about that, right?
Your Honor, wala po kung sinasabing gawan natin po ng paraan, Your Honor.
Okay. So, he gives you the checks, you deposit it in your account, or in his account.
Your Honor, yung cheque po na binibigay sa akin, binibigay ko po kay Miss Maya Digito, Your Honor. Siya po yung nagde-deposito from time to time.
Eh, bakit din lang binigay ni Mr. Go kay Miss Digito yung mga cheque? Ba't pa dumadaan sa'yo?
Sir, sa akin po nilapit ni Mr. Go yung tulong, Your Honor.
Okay. So, you're saying that for this to work, she needs to deposit that in his account, right? Mr. Go, did you know that Miss Digito was the recipient of the checks that you were giving Mr. Peñalosa?
I don't know, Your Honor.
But alam mo lang, binibigay mo kay Mr. Peñalosa.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you don't know what he does with these checks.
Wala na po. Basta importante, mag-credit yung East-West Bank account ko.
So, dumadaan siya through the RCBC Jupiter, bumabalik sa account mo sa East-West Bank.
Yung proceed sa discounting po.
And there was a peso account, but you don't know anything about it.
There's nothing to do with that.
And that's also your statement, Mr. Peñalosa.
Yes, Your Honor.